Good morning, everyone. We're very excited to be with you guys here today. I'm Mike Horrocks. I'm the Senior Director of Solutions Management at Baker Hill. I'm joined today with Eric LaPlante, one of our lead product managers. In banking, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. But with Baker Hill NextGen, bankers will have at their fingertips all the business intelligence they need to make data-driven decisions, turning that risk into opportunity. For over 30 years, Baker Hill has been empowering financial institutions to make smarter, more profitable decisions. We do that by helping them streamline their loan originations and portfolio management processes, all powered by sophisticated business intelligence and profitability-enhancing solutions that meet the needs of progressive financial institutions today and into the future. Again, we're very excited to show you today our newest innovation, Baker Hill NextGen. Baker Hill NextGen is the only end-to-end common loan origination, risk management, portfolio management, and CRM solution out in the field with a mobile responsive design that's designed to meet, again, all those needs of your bankers, regardless of what their role would be. Baker Hill NextGen utilizes a persona-based design. So again, based on my persona, my role, or my authority, I would have access to our lending, CRM, or portfolio management functionality, or a combination of those. At the core of Baker Hill NextGen, we have what we call the hub. It's where a banker would go in and see the key tasks and activities that would drive their day, helping them be most efficient. It's also the repository where we have key reports, dashboards, and views that give you interactive, dynamic, and most importantly, shareable business insights across the entire organization. Baker Hill NextGen also seamlessly integrates with third-party platforms and core providers. So we're able to very easily take all that information from the lending, deposit, cash management, you name it. We can take that information and push it out via configurable user dashboards to the users, to their laptops, to their smart devices, wherever they need to be. We also help streamline the workflow that's associated with every one of those functions that the users would have engaged in. So today, we're going to give you two scenarios. One where Eric will be a financial analyst back at the bank, and I'll be a relationship manager out in the field on my iPad. So if we could switch over to the iPad, bankers will have access to integration with Salesforce.com, Office 365, or the native CRM capabilities within Baker Hill NextGen. Again, this empowers me as a user to be able to see the key tasks and activities that are most important for me. On my dashboard here, I see that I have an appointment to go out and actually talk to a client about their existing loan, some conditions that are on that, as well as discuss a new loan opportunity. We have simplified the search process to make it so that a banker out in the field using wildcard searches would be able to pull back that specific account as well as any related information to that. All the affiliated accounts, the lending, the deposit, all the financial analysis that's going on, all the covenant tracking that needs to happen, that is all at my fingertips. And with that mobile responsive design of Baker Hill NextGen, I'm able to actually have that conversation with my client face-to-face in the field, anywhere that I need to have that conversation. So if I had, again, the proper authority based on my role, and I had a covenant exception, for example, with my client, I'd actually be able to go in, have that conversation with them, clear that exception, and then have that credit have a sound standing within the institution, helping keep my portfolio clean. Now, most importantly, what I can do is I can actually go ahead and start a new loan opportunity as well. So here, I'm going in and I'm starting the needs analysis section of a commercial credit. I'm able to capture all those notes with the client, talking with them, building that relationship, helping them grow, and helping my portfolio to grow as well. From here, I'm able to send this through our workflow right to Eric, who back at the bank will see this, and he'll be able to capture that. And also, thanks to our integration with Office 365, if there's additional notes, comments, attachments, anything else that I need to have, I can send those to Eric as well, so he can help move this business along. So now that I've finished the work of doing the needs analysis and with this particular client, I'm going to go ahead and start doing more business development, perhaps catching a round of golf, and then we'll go back to the bank and see what Eric can do. So if we can switch over to the laptop, we see that Eric, now at the branch, sees that same credit now in his queue, ready to do the credit analysis. So he drills down into the financial analysis and sees the statement spreading function that was already completed. He's able to do a review of that, and in a collaborative manner, he's able to see if a financial analyst anywhere in the bank has made adjustments to that using our inline custom calculations. This gives you the ability to address any cash flow or credit situation that a client may have. He's also able to see any comments or subline details. In fact, for every accounting line item on that statement, we give you up to 999 subline details. That is more than enough information to address any complexity that you may have with a particular credit. Baker Hill NextGen is the sum of 3 decades of feature functionality richness that Baker Hill has provided over the years, topped with a multi-million-dollar usability study that we just finished this year. That gives your users an enhanced experience. So using colors, codes, icons, and even preferences as simple as tab preferencing, we're able to make sure that your users have a custom yet consistent experience. Now, we've gone through perhaps the most complex process at the bank, the commercial lending process, in under 7 minutes. We invite you to come by and talk with us at our booth to learn why more than 600 institutions, including 25% of the top 150 banks and credit unions in the United States, trust Baker Hill to be their partner of choice. Thank you very much and have a great day, everyone.